What's up? So look here. So I'm cooking this chicken breast, right? And I remember I saw before that there was some way that you could take this little fat piece or whatever that is that goes down there just completely off, like a little hack. So I tried it and it worked. So I'm gonna share it with you. So what they say, you take your fork, you take the little tenderloin piece, you put it in between there. They say because it's slippery. You might want to just get you a napkin, grab onto that piece, slide it down, and watch this one wants to be stupid. So get it on there, grab it, and it comes off. Like, that's the piece out of the chicken. Like, that right there. Now you don't have to chew on this that's not even chewable. Cool hack, right?